In this video, I'm going to explain how the Crypto Content Lab can help you make money as a crypto author. I'm going to show you how, like in Digital Currency Traders back in October of 2024, we were running at 500 views or reads per month. Now in April, halfway through, we're at 4K reads per. So we're up 10 times in volume by following along with this strategy. But it goes more than just writing on Medium. I'm showing how to start out a brand new YouTube channel and start earning money right out of the gate by following this strategy. And I'm also showing how you can earn different revenue streams by following along with this strategy that I teach in the Crypto Content Lab. So there's a lot of information here in the learning section. You can go into all sorts of lessons about how I've already been successfully writing and earning money by writing and creating videos about cryptocurrency. And you can do the same. Recently, I was using AI to improve my course. So I brought all of my course material into the AI, and then I asked it to break down specialized parts of it. So we can see the Crypto Content Lab crypto revenue system. We see the 4 legs of the financial chair. We see the millionaire plan, how to use crypto and content and automation to create an income stream that you can grow and nurture into $1 million. Finally, I had the AI turn everything into an audio podcast so that we could just sit back, listen to it, and it'll explain everything about the Crypto Content Lab. And I've also gathered these 3 reports and I put them together into a free PDF that you can find just below the video. I recommend that you grab that PDF and then sit back and listen to the podcast and put them all together, turn this into a revenue stream for yourself. I would love to hear your success story. All right, let's tune in.
Okay, forget just staring at crypto charts, right? Forget the sort of whispers about getting rich overnight. What if there was a more, I don't know, strategic way, like an architected path to potentially becoming a crypto millionaire? We're not really talking about those quick, fleeting gains today. We're diving deep into a system, a tangible system that uses content, smart tech, and even clever networking. The goal: building real lasting wealth.
Exactly. Yeah, this isn't about, chasing the next hype coin that pops up.
Mm-hmm.
We're exploring a really interesting method. It's about leveraging what your communication skills, but amplifying it all with AI and strategic partnerships. Think of it like building a really robust financial machine, brick by logical brick.
Right, like building something solid. And our kind of blueprints for this deep dive, they come from insights from content over at Bitcoin Trading and Digital Currency Traders. And these aren't just theories, are they? They're actively using this system. They call it the Crypto Content Lab, using it to generate income, basically by creating content about crypto. So we're going to unpack how they actually do that.
So, by the time we wrap up today, you should get the core principles behind building what we're calling a financial chair. Picture with 4 strong legs aiming for real financial independence, specifically in the crypto world. We'll look at how the author uses AI really efficiently, why having a referral program for your own digital products is frankly so powerful, and also the strategic edge you get from having your own publication, say on Medium, to, amplify your message and even help others out.
Okay, so this Crypto Content Lab framework, it's about building a sustainable financial future. You mentioned this idea of the financial chair. How does this system, this whole approach, help us build that chair?
Yeah, the financial chair, it's just a metaphor, right? For balanced financial strategy, needs 4 key supports. So leg 1, that's your traditional income, right? Working for money, pretty standard. Leg 2, making your money work for you. That's investing, compounding. We saw mentions of crypto platforms like BitGet offering compounding interest, for instance.
Right, okay. The foundational stuff.
Okay.
Makes sense. But where does all of this content creation stuff fit in? How does that build the chair?
Okay, so that's the crucial 3rd leg. Having your content work for you. This means creating valuable stuff online, articles, videos, whatever, that can generate passive income through, various ways. And then there's the 4th leg, which I find particularly interesting, is having your content make money for others. And these others then contribute back to your network, your success, often through things like referral programs. It's about creating this ecosystem.
A mutually beneficial ecosystem. Okay. It sounds like this Crypto Content Lab is really designed to build out those 3rd and 4th legs strategically. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. How does the author actually make money creating content with these AI tools?
Well, what seems really effective is the multi-platform angle. They're not just sticking to one channel. They publish on Medium, they've got their own site, Digital Currency Traders, and they're doing videos for YouTube. That alone just broadens their reach massively.
Yeah, definitely. More eyeballs, more chances. But creating that much content, for all those places. Sounds like a huge time sink. That's got to be where the AI comes in, right? How does it make it actually, doable?
Exactly. Yeah, the process is highly automated. It often kicks off with research, using AI tools, something like Perplexity AI maybe, to just quickly gather info on crypto topics. Then, once they have that research base, they use customized ChatGPT models. And these aren't just generic prompts. There are specific ones mentioned, like a do and show article generator or a video script monster. They're designed to turn that research into engaging first-person style content that fits their audience.
Ah, okay. So the AI isn't just dumping facts. It's helping craft actual compelling stories and explanations, which is vital, right, to keep people hooked.
Precisely. And from those AI-assisted articles, they can then pretty efficiently generate video scripts. So, you see, one research effort gets leveraged into multiple formats. Smart. They create blog posts, videos about crypto investments, even their trading signals or analysis. And importantly, they embed the videos right into the blog posts. That can really boost engagement, time on page, all that good stuff.
That is smart. Caters to different people, keeps them on the site longer. Okay. So the content's created. What then? Is it just manually posting it everywhere?
Oh, no, not at all. The automation carries through to distribution, too. They use tools, Make.com was mentioned, to set up workflows. These automatically share new blog posts, new videos across social media, Twitter, X, LinkedIn, Reddit, Facebook, you name it. That kind of consistent presence everywhere is just crucial for building an audience over time.
Wow. Okay. So AI is basically touching almost every stage. Research, writing, scripting, even getting it out there. It really sounds like a streamlined content engine. And this ties straight back to that third leg of the financial chair, right? Your content generating income. But how does this system feed into the other legs, especially that fourth leg you mentioned, the one about your content making money for others?
Yeah, that's where the strategic use of referral programs for, say, digital products really shines. See, the content draws in an audience interested in crypto. Then within that content, the author recommends useful tools, platforms, services. By putting in their unique referral links, they give their audience a way to benefit, sure, but they also create a way for themselves to earn passive income when people sign up or buy through those links.
Right. And we saw that example, didn't we? The Bitget affiliate program generated what, over $3,000 in 3 months? So the content educates, gives value, and then offers a clear path for the audience to act and for the author to get paid for that referral. That feels like a very direct link to the fourth leg, helping others benefit, which then benefits you.
Exactly. It's that win-win ecosystem again. The audience gets good resources, the author gets passive income, sometimes even paid in Bitcoin, which, can then be reinvested, feeding back into leg two. It's a really powerful network effect. The more people find value, sign up via referrals, the greater the author's potential income. It snowballs.
Okay, now let's shift to the Medium publication piece. Having your own publication, like Digital Currency Traders, what's the strategic play there? Why build on Medium specifically?
Well, having a publication on Medium brings several key advantages. First off, you're tapping into Medium's massive existing audience. That gives your content instant visibility to potentially millions of readers. It's a huge head start compared to just relying on your own website, traffic starting out.
Right, leveraging their existing infrastructure to get your message out further, faster.
Precisely. And second, Medium has its own partner program, which means you can earn money directly based on reader engagement with your articles, claps, reading time, that sort of thing. So that's another direct revenue stream from your content, again, strengthening that third leg of the financial chair.
Okay, so you get the built-in audience, potential earnings directly from Medium, but you also mentioned it creates opportunities for others. How does that work?
Yes, and this is where it really connects beautifully with that fourth leg. The author actively invites other crypto writers to submit their articles to the Digital Currency Traders publication. This broadens the content variety, right? Attracts an even wider audience to the publication overall. It becomes a kind of hub.
So it's not just pushing your own stuff, it's building a community, a resource for other people in the crypto space too. And how does the original author, the publication owner, benefit from that arrangement?
Well, by creating this central hub, the publication itself gains authority, visibility. It becomes a go-to place. This lifts everyone involved, including the original author, whose own content and referral links are naturally part of this ecosystem. Plus, remember the automation. Those systems often share all articles published on the Medium Pub across social media. So contributing authors get an extra visibility boost too. It helps everyone grow.
That really does sound like a smart, collaborative way to build something where everyone benefits. And I guess having a successful Medium publication adds a lot of credibility to the crypto content lab itself, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah, the Crypto Content Lab, from everything we've looked at, seems to be the practical application of all these strategies working together. It's likely, a collection of automations, resources, maybe courses or guides, all designed to help other people implement this very system. The AI content creation, the strategic referrals, using platforms like Medium, all to build their own four-legged financial chair in crypto.
So if people listening are thinking, wow, this sort of approach sounds interesting, the Crypto Content Lab is kind of the how-to where they find the tools and the know-how.
Exactly. Yeah, for anyone looking to maybe move beyond just, basic trading tips and build something more sustainable, a wealth-generating system in crypto.
Mm-hmm.
Exploring the Crypto Content Lab, I assume there'll be a link in the show notes that would probably be the logical next step.
This has been really, really insightful. It definitely shows that building wealth in crypto can be, well, a lot more strategic and multi-layered than many people probably think. It's clearly not just about luck or catching the next big pump. It's about building a proper system.
hmm The key takeaway is really understanding that power you get from combining efficient content creation thanks to AI with smart automation, and that strategic networking through referrals and platforms like Medium, all framed within that intentional structure, the four-legged financial chair. It's about building a resilient, diversified engine for income.
It really does make you think, doesn't it? How you could maybe leverage your own knowledge, your own skills to start building your version of this. So maybe a final thought for everyone listening. How could you begin constructing your own financial chair using content, using networks? Perhaps checking out the Crypto Content Lab could be that first step in designing your own sustainable path in the crypto world. It certainly gives you a fresh way to think about building wealth in this very dynamic market.
Thanks for listening all the way through the podcast. I would love to hear your thoughts and your comments. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. Stay safe, everyone. Here's to your success.